mistake, I'll be watching you. Since you've gone, I've been lost without a trace. Dreaming out, I can only see your face. Look around, but it's you I can't replace. Feel so cold and I long for your embrace. Keep crying, baby, baby, smile you make, every place you stay, I'll be watching you. Every single day, every word you say, every move you make, every step you take, I'll be watching you. I'll be watching every breath you take, every move you make, every vow you break. I'll be watching every single day, every word you say, every move you break. I'll be watching every move you make, every vow you break, every smile you take. I'll be watching you.
Let's do it! We gotta beat the vibe, we gotta beat the vibe. You can boogie like this, not that this is not. Move on your body, spin it right around. But don't forget on out. Don't forget on out. It's all about people telling you about. We hear the look around, we know this is a song. We see them tell the world that you're alive.
Sugar, oh honey, honey, you are my baby girl, and you got me wanting you. Oh sugar, sugar, you are my baby girl, and you got me wanting you.
1, 2, 3, 4. This happens once before. When I came to your door, no reply. They said it wasn't you, but I said you'd be true. To the window. If you break my heart, I go. But I'll be back again. 'Cause I told you once before goodbye. But I'll be back again.
Sitting here is nowhere land. You're gonna lose that girl.
You're gonna lose that girl.
You're gonna lose.
Yes, yes, you're gonna lose that girl.
You're gonna lose.
Yes, yes, you're gonna lose that girl. find out what you feel? What you know? It's got to be real. I think I love you. What you mean? I think I need you. What you know? To be real, it's got to be real. What you find out? The best of my love. What you feel? The best of my love. What you know? To be real, it's got to be real. You got the best of my love. Come on, everyone. All right. Pwede po tayong sumayaw mo. Ako ang nakikita, ako ang nasisisi, ako ang lagi may kasalanan. Pagising sa umaga, sa'yo na lang nasal, bago pumasok sa eskwela. Kapag nangalapira, ako'y pagkagalitan, bago alam ang gagawin. Ako'y sunod-sunod, ayaw malang patigan, nasasaktan ang damdamin. Ako ang nagkakayaan, sunod sa utos lamang. Galing sa eskwela, diretso na ng bahay, wala naman ako makalitan. Hey! Wala akong sinabi, wala akong sinabi, nagturo ang naghihintay. Ipatawag na barkada sa kanilang sasama, sabog na nga ng barkada. Sabat na ng atina, ako'y pagkagalitan, di ko alam ang gagawin. Ako ang nagkakayaan, sunod sa utos lamang. Ako ang nakikita, ako ang nasisisi, ako ang laging may kasalanan. May mga taong lumaki sa hirap, mayroong laki sa layaw, puro sarap, 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 sarap. Kung siya'y titigan mo, akala mo kung sino, di siya bumababa sa kanyang trono. Kilala sa bayan, lahat sila'y kahaman, malakas ang inuman, solo sa daan. Magandang kaya, pag-asa mabago, mga taong lumaki sa layaw. Come on! Hey! It's a light out, there's love. ilaw, ngiti mo ay manggang hilaw mo ka. Nakasigaw, araw na kay masaya. Forget mo na ang problema. Nagdalas-dalas mga sumila. Rock and roll hanggang umaga. Why the night, why cry? Kahit mo ang tuloy ka. Kaya enjoy na lang kayo. Let's all have a good time. Di ko sa'yo magwala ka. Kasi ko lang ay magpagwala ka. Sa mga pagdurumisa. Like wala sa problema. Wag kasi na lang kumari. Wag na lang ba? Pasisi ka lang. Para ikaw ang sumaya. Kaya enjoy na lang kayo. Let's all have a good time. Kaya enjoy na lang kayo. Let's all have a good time.
Ayan, magpalakpakan naman tayo. And once again, good evening everyone. And we are the RNB and
Band.
And maraming salamat po Kalumag family
Yes.
sa pag-invite niyo po sa amin. And welcome home, of course, to
Ma'am Gina,
Ma'am Gina and
to Sir Mike.
Mike. Yes, palakpakan naman natin. At balita ko si Sir Mike, retired Navy. Wow! And, ayan, sana mayansin natin tong gabing to. Parang, gusto niyo lang sumayaw, mga ate?
Or baka gutom na sila. Gutom na ba ang lahat? Oo.
Ay, mas
O,
maganda yung ano.
Anong gusto niyo? Kumain muna o magsayawan muna? Magsayawan, sige.
Mukhang may, ano yun, ma'am?
Baby, won't you tell me why there is sadness in your eyes? I don't wanna say goodbye to you. Love is one big illusion. I should try to forget, but there is something left in my head. You're the one who set it up. Now you're the one to make it stop. I'm the one who's feeling lost right now. Now you want me to forget every little thing you said, but there's something left in my head. And I won't forget the way you're easy, the feeling so strong. We're lasting for so long, but I'm not the man your heart is missing. That's why you go away. I don't know. I was almost about to lose my faith. Was still dreaming, but feared it was too late. But then you came along to my surprise. And stole my heart before my very eyes. You took me right out of the blue. such a lovely queen. From the skies above to the deepest love I've ever felt. Crazy like this before. Gain my love, you should gain my love. It's the picture of thousand sunsets. It's the freedom of a thousand doves. Baby, you should gain my love. Since you came into my life, the days before all fade to black and white. Since you came into my life, everything is changed. After some time, I finally made up my mind. She is the girl, and I really want to make her mine. Now I'm searching every way to find her again, to tell her I love her, and I'm sorry about the things I've done. I find her standing in front of the church, the only place in town where I need a search. She looks so happy in a wedding dress, but she's crying while she's singing this. Boy, I miss your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. It's too late. Don't you drive me so far, but I'm sorry you are 25 minutes too late. I can see her say, the Milky Way above the heavens is twinkling just for you. And Mr. Moon, he came back to say goodnight to you. I sing for you, I'll sing for mother. We'll pray it for the world and for the people everywhere. Gotta show them all we can. Oh, my sleeping child, till the world, from the world so
All right, and it was a song from Michael.
Learns to rock.
At sa mga nanonood po sa ating live, magandang gabi, hapon, tanghali sa inyong lahat yan, lalong-lalo na po sa Hawaii.
Yes.
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 Florida and Hawaii.
Hawaii.
Yes. Yes. Agbitor kanto nga ro din si Kabatch. Yes. Alam niyo, batch ko si Ligaya ang
Ma'am
tawag mo
Ligaya.
sa akin. Ay. Talaga naman, liligaya ka sa buhay niya pag siya ang sinamahan mo. Anyway, ayan. Welcome home again.
Mommy
Ma'am
and
Gina and
Welcome home
Mom Gina and Sir Mike.
from Florida,
Florida,
USA.
USA.
Yes, palakpakan naman natin. Okay, habang po nagpipila po tayo at mamaya din, magpipila din tayo.
Yes.
Pero habang marami pang nakapila dyan, siyempre, magbibigay muna tayo ng mga iba't ibang samut-saring
Yun. Tugtugin. Okay, ayan. Kung may mga kagustuhan po kayo dyan, magsabi lang po kayo or sulat nyo na lang po. Yan. All right. Once again, if you have any song request, just to let us know.
Ayan, at meron tayong
ano?
bisita.
Yes. Guest.
Statement.
Ay, siyempre, i-welcome din natin yung yung kasama natin.
Nagbalik bahay na.
Oo.
Yes.
Oo, nagbalik kalindog ba? Oo.
Balik bahay din.
I-ano mo din yung mga taga-Hawaii.
Yes.
Ayan, sa mga taga-Hawaii dyan, hello po sa inyong lahat. Anong oras na ba doon? 12:47 a.m.
Yes.
Alright.
May mga nanonood pa kaya?
Oo, meron pa yung mga tulad kong manamay. Kuya.
Zombie na lang.
Kuya.
Mga zombie.
Zombie.
Mga tulad kong zombie. Alright, so this is to give you a song from Heart.
Yes. Once again, Kate Gomez. Tama.
Spare a little candle, save some light for me. Figures up ahead, moving in the trees. White skin and linen, perfume on my wrist, and the full moon that hangs over the streams in the mist. These dreams go on when I close my eyes. Every second of the night, I live another life. These dreams are thin when it's cold outside. Every moment I'm awake, the further I'm away. Need to hide away from the pain. There's something out there I can't resist. Oh. The sweetest song is silence that I've ever heard. Only how you feel in dreams and never touched the earth. Ain't a word full of princess, feel the magic kiss. For the prince I disgrace from dreams in the mist. These dreams go on when I close my eyes. Every second of the night, living a life. These dreams to sleep when it's cold outside. Every moment I'm awake, the further I'm away. These dreams go on when it's cold outside. Every second of the night, I'm living a life. These dreams to sleep when it's cold outside. Every moment I'm awake, the further I'm away. All right, and that was again a song from Heart. Yes.
Alright, ayan. At sa mga viewers natin ulit, ayan. Magandang umaga, tanghali, gabi sa inyong lahat. At sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-follow o kaya nakapag-subscribe.
Yes, ayan, naka-live po tayo sa ating Facebook page, RNB Band -new page. At syempre, bukas o mamaya mapapanood nyo ito sa ating YouTube channel na RNB and the Side Street Band.
Yes.
All right. This song is from Shannon Sparrow. Come in to stay. Say that you need me. Stop, 'cause these words don't have a meaning. No, they don't. And they say not to me. They'll be there. I'll be more creative, a poetic way to say I'm not leaving to the world, not to true.